Why should you hire me to be your video editor? Well, what if I told you that I have 10 plus years of experience of editing videos with Sony Vegas Pro? Not only that, I also use Photoshop to create my thumbnails, promotion, banners, and anything you can ask for to help your YouTube channel or website look amazing and more appealing to your viewers. Plus, I'm pretty good at photography as well, in case you need me to take specific pictures for your videos as well. If you are someone who is an up-and-coming YouTuber or simply do not have much time to edit your own videos, I can lift this worry off your shoulder by becoming your editor. Whether your videos are long or short, I can handle the job. I'm able to create intros, outros, create your YouTube thumbnails, create your logo, add text to your videos, transitioning clips, translating Spanish to English and vice versa. I can even assist you on becoming a first-time streamer by knowing what equipments to use to stream, how to set your YouTube or Twitch channels to do live streams, using OBS, and more. I also have some experience with SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization, and can help you find the right tags, titles, and what to put in your description to help your videos stand out more. So in other words, I can help you promote your videos as well. If you have a video you wish for me to work on, you can contact me on my email below shown on the screen for specific requests, or you can visit my Fiverr page where I have more information on pricing, perks, and more. Link to that in the description below. I look forward to working with you all soon.